Koktisalo Agartala Lichubagan Elbert Ekka Pandao Philsnichidok NCC Sal Palaijakha Pandao Manjakha Haste Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Youth Welfare and Sports Minister Tinku NCC Tripura Incharge Colonel Rajsekhar Khobwi Kubun Ojamarok
सामने आप ग्रुप फोकस किए हैं तो एनसीसी का शुरू अनुरोध गवर्नर सर का शहीद मंच के पर श्रद्धांजलि दे रहे हैं।
Puilano NCC Sal Ashalo race competition Palaijakha Aboni Aglo bicycle rally Palaijakha Green flag Tishawi race competition as in Sawirokha Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Yang the Kaksa Facing bicycle rally or participate Klaika Hastepha bicycle rally no inauguration Klaika Montri Tinku Aboni Aglo NCC or participate Kleine Rock by Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu te Montri Tinku Keg Rawi Twine Rock ni Mukumwa Boramya Farka
हम लोग जो यहाँ पे आए हैं और उसमें मिनिस्टर साहब का जो प्रेरणा है ये हमारा कैडेट को मोटिवेट करेगा।
Honorable Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Tinku ji, Colonel Rajsekhar ji, 13th Tripura NCC Battalion, officers of 13th Battalion, my dear cadets, NCC Alumni Association members, distinguished guests, very good morning to you all. Being an alumni of the NCC, I am recollecting my parade days, camps, and the service activity when I was a school student as well as college student. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all present here today as we gather to celebrate the Corps Day of the National Cadet Corps. This is a momentous occasion to honor the tremendous contributions of the NCC in shaping the character and leadership of our youth, as well as the service it has rendered to our nation. The NCC established, it has evolved into one of the most revered organizations for youth empowerment and national service. Its motto, Unity and discipline, has guided countless generations of cadets who have gone on to serve our nation in various capacities. Alumni associations are torchbearers for all innovative programs to guide upcoming NCC cadets for their employment and educational career. Request alumni to involve personally, actively. Today, as we mark this significant day, it is an opportunity to reflect on the immense role the NCC plays not only in shaping responsible citizens but also in strengthening the very fabric of our nation.
Paithago Pandao Kok Sanani Thangi Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Shaka Ashali NCC program o school de college ni rungsirungnai rok participate khlaika hanai NCC ni bisingtei tabok ni generation rok no shukangai telangnani lama sini rojako hanai borok ongkha financial hakotono shukangai telangnani thinang aboni bagai Ashalo NCC ni bisingtei hasino bahaike shukangai telangmano aborokno tuibo sajakha koklam Rajsekhar agulini shimi pranamni kokthum chini khorang